Hello friends, in this video I am going to share the latest updates around the medical devices regulatory compliance. As you know, the India Medical Devices Rules 2017 is in effect from 1st of January 2018, and during that time only the 15 categories of the medical devices were notified, meaning the having manufacturing license was mandatory only for those devices. But now we are fully entering into the licensing regime for class A and class B medical devices with effect from 1st of October 2022. As per India Medical Devices rules, the medical devices are classified into four categories: class A, B, C, and D. Class A having associated with lowest risk. Let us have a quick overview of the evolution of regulatory framework for medical devices in India. It started with Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, and as late as 1982 the definition of the drug was amended as per the Drugs and Cosmetics Act to include the medical devices in its definition. And in 1989, first time the medical devices were notified, and those devices were hypodermic needles, hypodermic syringes, and disposable perfusion sets. And in 1994, the rules related to the requirements related to the factory premises for manufacturing of medical devices was notified. And the biggest change came when the Health Ministry notified the Medical Devices Rules 2017 on 31st of January 2017. And it came into effect from 1st of January 2018. Then in February 2020, an amendment came in which the timeline for fully entering into licensing regime was defined. So friends, if you found this video useful, please like and share this video. And if you want to get more updates on the regulatory compliance of the medical devices in India, please subscribe to my channel.